Hey, Mama Moonstar here. So many beautiful birds singing this Monday morning in February, the last few days of this month. But I've been hearing one that I hadn't heard since last summer, or maybe early last fall. Oh, that's the neighbor's dog barking. No, it's like, see if you can hear it, and maybe somebody could please let me know if they think it might be the call of the red-winged blackbirds. Maybe they've returned, but I've not seen any yet. Of course, I hear our dear crow friends. Okay, let me be quiet a minute here. Let's see. My dog's making a lot of noise walking in the snow on the deck. Doesn't help now, she's singing too. Okay, well, I can't sing it. It's kind of funny. Let's see. What am I hearing? It's like a dee dee dee. No. Storm, calm down. It's like a dee dee dee. It's like they do this chirp and then they click dee. Dee dee dee. Like that. Dee dee dee. Maybe I'd be better off Googling it for the sound or going on YouTube now that the dog is singing too. Apparently, she wants to go in, but I need to go get some more firewood. What else is new? And then she'll want to come back out. So anyway, alright, till later. Happy birding, those of you who listen. And if you have a singing dog, I'd love to meet your dog too. Stormy, want to say hi? Stormy. Say now she wants to go in. The minute I go out the other door for the wood, she'll want to come with me. Okay, take care, everybody. Happy Monday.